Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and today's video is about fixing your Instagram login error. So sometimes when you're logging into your Instagram account, you might see certain kind of problems relating to not being able to connect or asking you to try again later on in order to log into your account. And these kind of errors can be solved by certain procedures. You have different forms of steps that can be used in order to solve this particular error. And today I'm going to be telling you about a few of them. For this, first of all, what you can always do is make sure that your app is up to date, which means that you'll have to update your app every now and then in order to remove any forms of errors that are appearing on your app. So in order to update the app, you can simply either go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, and then on the search bar, type in the name of the app. Here, I'm just going to type in Instagram. And after I do that, the Instagram app comes over here. So when I tap on it, I can see an option that says open at the moment because my app has been updated. But if your app is not updated, instead of open, you'll see an option that says update. You can simply tap on the update button and then your app will start to get updated. What you can also otherwise do is you can simply long press the app on your device. And when you long press the app, you'll see an option that says cross. So tap on the cross and it'll ask you if you want to delete Instagram from your device. You can always delete the app by tapping on delete, and then you can also head over to your app store and then reinstall the device. But if this is not the case and if this doesn't help, what you can do is you can go to your settings, and there you'll see an option that says general, tap on it and then go to iPhone storage. As you go to iPhone storage, you'll see your app, tap on it, and here you'll see an option that says offload app. Offloading the app means it'll free up some of your storage, but it'll still keep your documents and data. This can be a way of retrieving your login. So what you can do is tap on offload app and then confirm that you want to offload by tapping on offload app. And this might help you to fix your login error. And once you do that, tap on reinstall app and wait for the app to get reinstalled, and then you can restart your login process altogether. If this doesn't help also, you can go back, go to the date and time setting, and then make sure that you've set your date and time to set automatically. So when you set your date and time to automatically, no matter in which corner of the world you are in, you'll always be in the correct date and time. And this might save you from facing any sort of login error. So these are some of the steps and means by means of which you can fix your Instagram login error. I hope that this video has been useful to you in understanding how exactly you can do that. If this video helped you out, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also push the bell notification so that you get notified every single time that we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around next time.